name is Audrey. I'm from Montreal, Canada, and I've been in Shanghai for 4 years now. I started off working in the fashion industry. I was a fashion buyer for a luxury multi-brand based here in Shanghai, and also worked in a few startups before getting into the tech world.
My name is Lucas. I'm a Canadian entrepreneur. Currently living in Shanghai, working on several projects.
My name is Michael. I'm from Toronto. I grew up in Ottawa. I joined a program called Venture for Canada. Worked there for around 2 years. Then I went on to do my own startup.
我之前在苏州工作，在制造业做一名设计工程师。今年春节后，我参加了Le Wagon的全债培训，现在是一名全债工程师，目前在杭州工作。
Now after the Le Wagon bootcamp, I started freelancing as a web designer and developer. And so I've been working on a couple of separate projects. Some of them are WeChat mini programs, some of them are web apps, and some of them are strictly design projects.
Make virtual pets for streamers, and we're growing pretty fast. We're doing pretty well.
现在我们在给清华大学 IC 的做一个后台的课程管理系统。
After completing the boot camp and working from home, it's a little bit hard to work from a small apartment and find the motivation to working hours. It's very easy to procrastinate and find other things to do. So when the opportunity arose for me to share some knowledge with the Hubbers and also work out of the Naked Hub instead of from my apartment or from cafes, I thought it would be a really, really great opportunity to share some of the knowledge that we learn at Le Wagon with the Hubbers, who I think would get a lot of value out of it as well.
I like to work at Naked Hub. It's like an office away from my usual home office. Give that good work and home balance. So yeah, I really enjoy it. It's one way of like giving back on what I learned, but not only giving back by teaching others, but teaching myself while teaching others, because it just reviews all the materials that I learned. So it's good for both, I think, me and the students.